Welcome back to our channel. Are you ready for some fun today?
Oh, I'm already excited, Clara, because today's topic is something we all love, vacations.
Vacations, yay! Just hearing that word makes me want to pack my bags and run to the beach.
Yes, vacations mean no school, no work, just fun and rest. But wait, do you know how to talk about vacations in English?
That's what we'll learn today. So stay with us till the end, because we'll teach you new words, fun phrases, and even play some little English games.
Oh, yes, and we'll laugh a lot too, because it's vacation time, not grammar time.
Exactly. So let's start. But first, if you're new here, hi there. I'm Clara.
And I'm Arthur. We're your English buddies, here to make learning English easy, fun, and full of laughter.
Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next adventure.
Adventure, nice word. That's actually our first word for today.
Oh yes! Word 1, adventure. It means a fun or exciting trip, like going to the mountains was a big adventure.
Or, my summer adventure was visiting Thailand.
Great! Let's say it together, everyone. Adventure.
Adventure. Good job!
Okay, Arthur, tell me, when you hear the word vacation, what's the first thing that comes to your mind?
Sleeping late, eating ice cream, and swimming all day.
Sounds perfect. For me, it's travel and family. I love going somewhere new with my family.
That's sweet. Okay, friends, let's learn how to talk about vacations, because English is all about sharing your experiences.
Right! We'll start with simple questions and answers you can use when talking about vacations.
For example, someone asks, "Where did you go on vacation?" You can say, "I went to the beach," or "I went to the mountains."
Easy! Or I went to my grandparents' house.
Perfect. And if you didn't go anywhere, you can say, "I stayed at home," or "I didn't go anywhere." That's fine too. Okay, everyone, your turn. Repeat after us.
I went to the beach.
I stayed at home.
Very nice. You sound great already.
Now, let's add some more details. We can use when, where, and who in our vacation talk.
Like, when did you go on vacation? You can answer, I went in July.
Where did you go? I went to Dubai.
Who did you go with? I went with my family.
So together you can say, I went to Dubai with my family in July.
Wow, that's a beautiful full sentence. Let's all try it. Repeat after me. I went to Dubai with my family in July.
Great job.
You're speaking so well.
All right, Clara, I have a question for you. What's your dream vacation?
My dream vacation? Maybe Japan. I want to see cherry blossoms and eat sushi.
Nice. For me, it's Switzerland. Snow, mountains, and hot chocolate.
Delicious.
Okay, vocabulary time. Let's learn 5 useful vacation words.
Great idea. Vocabulary helps us talk more clearly. So here are today's words.
Number 1, beach, a place with sand and sea. Example, I love walking on the beach.
Number 2, hotel, a place where you stay when you travel. Example, we stayed in a nice hotel.
Number 3, luggage, the bags you take with you. Example, don't forget your luggage.
Number 4, souvenir, something you buy to remember a place. Example, I bought a souvenir from Paris.
Number 5, Tourist. A person who travels to another place. Example, many tourists visit my city.
Perfect. Let's repeat these words together. Ready?
Beach, hotel, luggage, souvenir, tourist.
Great job, everyone! You're doing amazing.
All right, everyone, now that you know some vacation words, let's go deeper. Let's talk about things we do on vacation.
Yes. What do we do when we go on vacation? We do fun things, we relax, we travel, we eat yummy food, and we take pictures.
Pictures. Oh, yes. Taking pictures is the #1 vacation rule. If you don't take pictures, did you even go on vacation?
Oh, true. Everyone loves taking selfies on the beach or mountains.
So let's learn some action words. We call them vacation verbs.
Ooh, verbs. Action words. Let's start.
#1, relax. Example, I relax on the beach.
Number 2, travel. Example, I love to travel to new places.
#3, swim. Example, I swim in the sea.
Number 4, eat. Example, I eat ice cream every day on vacation.
#5, explore. Example, I explore new cities and meet new people.
Great job. Everyone repeat after us. Relax, travel, swim, eat, explore.
Claps. Wow, you sound great. I can already hear you saying, I love to travel.
Now let's use these verbs in real vacation sentences.
Example 1, I relax on the beach with my friends.
Example 2, I swim every morning when I travel.
Example 3, I eat local food in every city.
Example 4, I explore museums and markets.
Great! You can use these sentences in your daily talk with friends. Try telling them about your last vacation.
Yes, like this. Last summer, I went to the mountains. I relaxed, I explored, and I ate a lot of snacks.
Snacks are very important, Clara.
Always. Okay, everyone, let's play a mini English game.
Yay, game time! What are we playing, Clara?
It's called Guess the Vacation Word. I'll describe something and you guess what it is.
Oh, fun. Let's do it.
First one, you sleep in this place when you travel. What is it?
That's easy. A hotel.
Yes, hotel. Good job.
Okay, my turn. You put your clothes in it when you travel. What is it?
Luggage. I'm so good at this.
You are! Okay, next. You go to this place to see the sea, sand, and sun. What is it?
Oh, come on, that's too easy. The beach.
Correct. You're a vacation master.
Giggles. Okay, last one. You buy this to remember your trip. What is it?
Souvenir.
Perfect. Everyone watching, did you get them all right? Tell us in the comments.
And don't forget to write your favorite vacation place in the comments too. We love reading your answers.
Yes, we might even reply to your comment.
Now, let's do a short role play. Everyone, listen carefully and then repeat after us.
I'll be the tourist and Arthur will be my friend.
Ready? Let's go.
Hi, Arthur. How was your vacation?
Oh, it was amazing. I went to Turkey.
Wow, Turkey. What did you do there?
I visited old buildings, swam in the sea, and ate delicious food.
Sounds great. How long did you stay?
I stayed for 1 week.
Who did you go with?
I went with my family.
Nice. Did you buy any souvenirs?
Yes, I bought a keychain and a small lamp.
That's wonderful. I hope I can go to Turkey one day too.
You should. It's a beautiful country.
Okay, everyone, now it's your turn. Try this same role play at home. Change the country, change the words, and practice with your friends.
You can say, I went to Malaysia, or I went to Dubai, or I went to Japan.
Or even, I stayed home and watched movies.
That's also a vacation, a movie vacation.
Now let's do another little quiz. Are you ready?
Ready.
I'll say a sentence, and you tell me if it's true for your vacation. You can say yes or no.
Let's go.
Number 1. I went to the beach.
Number 2. I stayed in a hotel.
Number 3. I swam in the sea.
Number 4. I bought a souvenir.
Number 5. I relaxed all day.
I said yes to all of them. That's my perfect vacation.
Save here. I want to relax all day and eat ice cream.
Everyone loves ice cream. Now, let's talk about travel words we use when we plan a vacation.
Good idea. Let's learn some words for planning.
Word 1. Book. It means to reserve something. Example, I booked my flight online.
Word 2. Pack. It means to put your things in your bag. Example, I packed my clothes last night.
Word 3. Flight. It means the trip by airplane. Example, my flight was at 9 a.m.
Word 4. Ticket. It means the paper or email that lets you travel. Example, I bought my plane ticket.
Word 5. Passport. You need it to travel to other countries. Example, don't forget your passport.
Yes, don't forget it, or you can't go anywhere.
True, that's a vacation disaster.
Okay, everyone, let's repeat these words together. Book, pack, flight, ticket, passport.
Great job! Now, let's make a full sentence using some of them.
I booked my flight and packed my bag.
I have my ticket and my passport ready.
I'm ready for my vacation.
I can feel the vacation mood already.
Same here. But wait, Arthur, some people like the beach and some people like the mountains. Which one do you like more?
I like both, but maybe the mountains? It's peaceful and cool there.
I love the beach. I like the warm sun, the sound of waves, and ice cream every day.
Okay, beach girl. But I agree, both are amazing.
Let's teach our friends how to say what they like. You can say, I like the beach more than the mountains.
Or you can say, I like the city more than the countryside.
Or you can say, I like traveling by plane more than by train.
Good. Let's repeat. I like the beach more than the mountains.
Smiles. Great pronunciation, everyone.
All right, Clara, let's do one last little fun thing. A speed vocabulary challenge.
Oh, yes, I love this. Okay, I'll say a vacation-related word, and you say the first thing that comes to your mind. Ready?
Ready.
Beach.
Sand.
Flight.
Airplane.
Hotel.
Bed.
Passport.
Travel.
Souvenir.
Memory.
Great job.
You passed the challenge.
That was fun. Okay, everyone, we've learned a lot today. Vocabulary, sentences, games, and role play.
You did amazing.
Smiles and giggles. You can now talk about your vacation in English with confidence.
Yes, just remember to practice a little every day.
And don't forget, when someone asks, "How was your vacation?" you'll have the perfect answer in English.
Smiles, we're so proud of you.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun English lessons.
And tell us in the comments, where do you want to go on your next vacation?
Yes, we'd love to know. Giggles?
Until next time, keep learning, keep smiling, and keep dreaming big.
Because learning English is an adventure. Giggles?
See you soon, everyone. Bye-bye.
Bye! Waves and giggles.